What is up, YouTube? We are on the way to Valley of Fire. Here comes Toby. Say hello.
Hello.
We're going to Valley of Fire.
Oh yeah.
Where we at?
We're at Valley of Fire.
Valley of Fire.
Oh, there's so cool.
Let's go. We're about to go camping. We got the dogs with us. We got Zion and Dolly and Toby.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun. What's up, guys? We just got to the campground. We're just going to our spot right now. It's very beautiful out here. What do you think of it, Miss Tobes?
Very good. Two thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. What do you think of it, puppies? It's really good. See, we all like it.
Yes. This is
It's
crazy,
very
actually.
beautiful.
We're literally like camping in this. Look, that's 22. We're almost there.
Which one are we? 28?
28.
Okay. Wowzers.
That's actually crazy.
Yeah. I'm about to set up the tent. Toby's walking the dogs. I'm gonna do a time lapse. So let's do it. Tent all set up, all comfy. Her sleeping bag didn't come in time, so I let her have mine. And then I got just like extra blankets. But the tent's all set up. Got the puppies right here. Oh yeah, look at this. This is awesome. Wow. This is gonna be very fun. This is super awesome. We're going to our first trail right now. We got
awesome.
the puppies. This is super
Actually
awesome.
insane.
Yeah. Look at this view.
So pretty.
What's up, guys? Look at this view. This is awesome.
Super
We
awesome.
got the dogs with us. Come on.
Dolly's being a silly girl.
She's being very silly.
We made it, Mom and Dad. Dolly?
Yeah, the dogs are being crazy. Look at this view. We didn't download the maps before we got here, and we have no service. But up here, got a little bit of service, so I'm gonna go download the maps. But it is insane up here.
Breathtaking.
Wow. All right. Very pretty. The view and her. The puppy, he fell a little bit, and he's tired now. Dolly, she's just crazy.
Yep.
Look at that. The stars tonight are gonna go crazy, but the sunset's very beautiful.
It is.
This little dude.
I don't know how you're... everything in such good quality all the time. He's just eating the grass. It's crazy.
His little butt.
So it's getting darker now, and we're getting our dinner ready. We got Mexican style beans and rice with chicken, and then we got huge cobbler for dessert. We got a 5 gallons of water. The dogs just keep eating rocks and stuff, and they're just being crazy. I got this little propane thing. Dogs are being crazy. They don't know how to act. This is gonna be delicious. Can't wait to eat it. But we'll stop and watch the view. You guys are gonna see that obviously before this. We're really waiting for the stars.
Well, good morning, guys. It got super cold last night.
Yep.
Meow. Meow.
Well,
So this is what we have for breakfast. We got a house skillet, and we got some granola. It's gonna be delicious. Ooh. It's super cold yesterday. Good thing we had Miss Dolly over there. She's a big old dog. She kept us warm.
And she did.
So we're leaving now. Got everything packed up like you saw before. We didn't do any hikes because these dogs are crazy, and he's just a little puppy.
No.
But we're out of here. We'll come back next time without the dogs. Oh. This little dude.